attacks online. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I know you? Abhay, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, so kindly brief us what are the basic practices we need to follow to safeguard ourselves in online education, online classes, completely in online.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, in this COVID times, with lockdown in most places, schools are forced to shift from classroom to online teaching. So classes
Yes.
are conducted through virtual platform. Homework has been digitalized, and children are required to spend long hours indoors, focusing on their mobiles, iPads, and laptops. Okay.
Yeah.
So this raises many concerns regarding their long-term health, increased use of electronic gadgets, prolonged near work and daylight exposure can regress in progression of myopia and nearsightedness in children.
Yeah.
And electronic devices are known to emit short wavelength and blue light. Okay, suppressing the hormones. Okay,
True.
okay, prolonged exposure may cause sleep disturbances in children.
Correct.
And too much screen time can also result in dry eye, headache, stress, anxiety, and behavioral and mental issues.
Hmm.
Okay, and it is also important to strike balance between academic learning via digital and also good physical. But mental and physical development are important in children, especially.
Okay.
So hence, a restricted use of electronics for studying has been advocated by doctors, we doctors. Okay.
Yeah.
In certain practices, teachers and parents should ensure in certain practices, actual children should, they should have given amount time to spend with theirs, and the amount of time, and the amount of time child spends, digital and prolonged, and it's directly proportional to their age, okay. While 12 to 16 years old are allowed to 8 hours, okay. And toddlers, okay, among toddlers, it is highly unlikely, okay. And online study and hours of screen time for younger teachers, okay, it should be in a break time, okay, 45 minutes class, okay, and there is a break, okay, 1 to 2 hours class, and there is a break, okay. It is important that child sits on straight back chair with arm rest, okay, screen placed between at least 2 feet. Okay, this ensures good posture and avoids back and neck problems in future. Okay. And in a larger rooms like large screen, okay, large laptop, and in the rooms like heavy usage, okay, room lighting and brightness should be good, okay, good enough, okay, and there should be enough ventilation in the room for actually sitting in the long hours, okay. This will relate to some strain, and I think there is a rule, okay, 20-20-20 rule, okay. 20 minutes where a child will take his program and 20 minutes break, okay. Again 20 feet again away from this screen time, okay. These all relate. Okay, this will help this will actually help in the ciliary muscle, okay, to ease their things, okay. And child generally should wear glass, okay. UV glasses are the must, okay. And also various ways to reduce their screen time is advised by the teachers. Okay, each day there should be at least one section of physical exercise, yoga, dance class, okay, virtual workout, okay. This should be in their schedule actually, in their curriculum schedule, okay. And for homework, they should be encouraged by using the textbooks, not on laptop or any digital platform. Parents themselves set a good example by staying away from mobile phones and TV as much as possible. Okay, they can also develop some actually quality time with their family, play games, connect with their family during these leisure times. So electronic gadgets generally are used during only the classes. Okay, only classes and e-learning should be used, and children must be taught in such practices so that it's very effectively for their health and also mental issues.
Okay. So overall, may I know what are the main measures that students must follow while they are attending online classes?
Yeah, there are few measures. Okay, first rule is restricted use of electronic devices only for studying purpose. Okay. Second, screen should be always placed 2 feet away from eye level. Okay. Okay, at least some 60 centimeters. Okay. And for after every 45 minutes, it should be a long break should be there. Okay, at least for 20 minutes. Okay, if there is 1 to 2 hours long session, at least 45 minutes break should be there. Okay. And it's important that child a child actually sit straight on his chair and rest his arm. Okay, not by bending towards the screen. Okay, larger screens, larger laptops are must actually. Okay, they are much preferable. Okay, they actually emit and room lighting and brightness should be optimum. Okay, and screen protectors can be used if there is a long session and if there is excessive thing. Screen protectors will actually reduce the blue light. So these will be the good measures for the students and children.
Okay. Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us. We'll get back to you for the further episode.
Thank you.